Now number 17. Number 17 question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining -2, -3 and 5, 4 is divided by the coordinate axis and hence find the coordinates of these points. Try to understand the question first. Try to understand the question. This is origin, this is y-axis, and you see here this is a straight line. Point A is -2, -3 and point B is 5, 4. This line segment AB is divided by the two coordinate axes, x-axis and y-axis, at point C and D. At point suppose C and D. And we have to find out the ratio in which the point C divides AB and point D divides AB. Point C, as it is on x-axis, you know the coordinate we can take as A0. We can take the coordinate as A0. The y coordinate is 0 because it is on x-axis. And that of D we can take 0B. The x coordinate is 0 on y-axis. So, the y coordinate as it is 0, using internal division formula, we can find out the ratio in which point C divides AB. Suppose point C divides AB in m is to n ratio. Let C divides AB in m is to n ratio. In m is to n ratio. Then using internal division formula, as the y coordinate of the point C is 0, we can take 0 as 0 is equal to the m and n. M into 5, m into 4 plus n into -3 divided by m plus n, which divides 4m, which implies 4m is equal to 3n, or m by n ratio, that is equal to 3:4. And using this ratio we can find out A now, and A is the x coordinate, that is m into 5 plus n into -2 divided by m plus n, which is 15. 3 into 5 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4, which is 7 by 7, that is 1. So the value of A is found to be 1. So the point is found to be 1, 0. And the ratio in which C divides AB is 3:4. 3:4 is the ratio in which C divides AB, and the coordinate at which, that the coordinates of the point C is 1, 0. Similarly, we can find out the coordinates of D and the ratio. Let the point D divides AB in m is to n ratio. Here the x coordinate is 0. So, using internal division formula and taking the x coordinate, so 0 is equal to m into 5 plus n into -2 divided by m plus n, or here 5m is equal to 2n, or m by n is equal to 2 by 5. So the ratio in which D divides is 2 by 5. So the coordinates, that is point B is equal to 2 into 8, 2 into 4 plus 5 into minus 3 divided by 2 plus 5, or it is minus 7 by 7, that is minus 1. So the point C is found to be 1, 0, and point D is found to be 0, minus 1. So try to understand here that point C divides, or the C divides means the coordinate axis divides. The coordinate axis divides the line segment AB in 3:4 ratio, and at the point 1, 0 in the ratio 2:5 and the point 0, minus 1.